Goodbye efficiency, welcome the Agile attitude. Quit chasing Agile and lead around the Agile mindset. Greetings from David Betzold. Pump the brakes and take a casual glance around at the tangible world. Greetings from David Betzold. There are so many leaders that I hear all the time saying they'd like to be more agile, when clearly what they mean is go faster, but who misunderstand that agile is not just speed or sprints or sexy software. They see it as a simple procedure to speed up people's work. But what if the spirit of agile is not in what you do, but in who you are and how you lead your team? The real essence of the agile mindset has nothing to do with providing results. It's about opening up the potential that's inside every human being. The best companies I've had the honor of working with didn't just take up a shiny new framework. They reinvented themselves culturally so that the way they executed work and drove innovation was transformed. They stopped seeing their teams as a machine to be worked until the gears ground to a halt and started believing in them as innovative thinkers and idea generators. The transformation is profound, but only after you build a strong bedrock of psychological safety within your company. It's that China-breaking moment that enables team members to let their guard down, ask what appeared as a dumb question, suggest such a bold and rather risky idea, and even acknowledge a mistake, minus the fear that they will pay for it. When people are safe enough and trust enough, they don't simply follow orders, they take ownership of their jobs. They step right up and address tough issues, and they bring a contribution that is unimaginable according to the numbers and the plans. Above all, treat your Agile journey as if it is not a one-step project. It reflects a sustained dedication to agility, a culture of learning, and the human nature of collaboration. The question you should be asking is not, how can we work faster, but rather, how do we create an environment in which my team can really thrive and make their maximum contribution? Are you ready to be an Agile perspective leader? Let's have some proper dialogue in the comments. Now that you get overcoming the fear that accompanies true psychological safety in a team, what's one thing you're doing right at this minute to foster that kind of environment and tap into the amazingness of your team? Thank you for watching.